Welcome to Masterminds in Maintenance, where we unravel the world of maintenance and reliability in bite-sized, easily digestible pieces. I'm your host, Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today, we're going to explore the crucial role of condition monitoring in maintenance, emphasizing on oil analysis. So if you're looking to enhance your maintenance schedule, prevent unwarranted downtime, and reduce unexpected failures, this episode is for you. We're excited to have Sanya Mathura, Managing Director and Senior Consultant at Strategic Reliability Solutions, sharing her insights on this subject. Sanya, now in her second year at Strategic Reliability Solutions, shares her journey from electrical and computer engineering to becoming an expert on lubrication and reliability. She highlights the link between lubrication, maintenance, and reliability, illustrating how strategic oil analysis can drastically improve maintenance scheduling, reduce downtime, and prevent unplanned maintenance. One key point Sanya brings to light is a common misunderstanding about lubrication. Many underestimate the predictive power of oil analysis. By understanding what's happening with the oils in service, maintenance teams can proactively plan and schedule maintenance activities, thus avoiding unexpected failures. Discussing frequent failures in bearings, Sanya points out that over-lubrication can be just as damaging as under-lubrication. She recommends using a thermal camera during lubrication to visually track the heat variations caused by different lubrication levels, which can be a revelation for maintenance personnel. Exploring further into oil analysis, Sanya compares it to medical tests for humans, explaining that just as blood tests reveal internal health issues, oil analysis provides crucial insights into the health of machinery. This comparison beautifully emphasizes the importance of regular checkups for machinery to ensure longevity and optimal performance. Sanya also walks us through the process of setting up a lubrication program, emphasizing the need to identify critical components within a facility. These are the components that, if failed, would significantly disrupt production and increase operational costs. She categorizes components into critical, semi-critical, and non-critical, each requiring different levels of attention and testing in a lubrication program. A significant revelation from oil analysis is the detection of oxidation in machinery, especially in turbines. Oxidation can lead to the formation of harmful byproducts like varnish and sludge, which can severely affect machinery operations. Sanya explains that specific tests can measure the extent of oxidation and the presence of varnish, enabling maintenance teams to take preemptive actions to clean and maintain equipment before major problems arise. Lastly, Sanya shares her entrepreneurial journey, which kicked off during her thesis on lubrication failures. Her passion for bringing high-level expertise and training to Trinidad and the Caribbean led her to establish Strategic Reliability Solutions. She also discusses the exciting future of maintenance and reliability, highlighting the role of IoT, AR, and VR in transforming traditional maintenance practices. For those keen to learn more about lubrication and reliability, Sanya invites you to connect with her on LinkedIn and visit her website at strategicreliabilitysolutions.com, where a wealth of resources awaits. That wraps up our episode for today. We want to thank you for tuning in, and we hope you found the insights shared by Sanya Mathura valuable. We've discussed the importance of condition monitoring and maintenance, the power of oil analysis, and the role of lubrication in maintaining machinery health. If you've enjoyed this video and want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more tools and resources to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.